Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best Ebike conversion kit.
Starting at number 5.
Schwinn Coston Adult Hybrid Ebike is perfect for commutes, running errands, or meeting friends. 27.5-inch wheels fit riders 5 feet 7 inches with an inseam of 29.2-30.8 to 6 feet 2 inches with an inseam of 31.6-33.6. Integrated down tube, 360-watt battery can last up to 45 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions, charging cable included, with 2-year warranty on battery and electrical system. 250-watt brushless geared hub drive pedal assist motor that gives you a boost while you pedal up to 20 miles per hour. Tested to and complies with ANSI/CAN/UL 2849. 7-speed trigger shifter offers smooth gear changes, and mechanical disc brakes deliver all-weather stopping power. Integrated LED lights on the battery, head and tail lights, full coverage fenders, and a rear rack included for carrying extra cargo.
Coming at number 4.
Varstrom Tongsheng. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B Ebike kit allows you to get the performance of a mid-drive kit without the high price tag of a pre-built electric bike. The 500-watt motor produces up to 100 Nm of torque. The newest model also comes equipped with a dual clutch on the main gear, which should make pedaling a smoother experience. Included in the sale are a thumb throttle, torque sensor, speed sensor, and an LED monitor. There are cut-off brake levers, which stop power from the motor when you use the brakes. The TSDZ2B is available with various battery options, depending on what you prefer in terms of shape and placement. The model we chose comes with a traditional 48-volt 19.2 Ah max battery. This is one of the lighter motors on the market, weighing just 7.9 pounds. It uses a torque sensor that detects the amount of force you apply and then applies a proportional amount of power from the motor. For many riders, this type of pedal assistance feels more natural, which makes it well suited to mountain bike riding. Tongsheng also offers a 1-year warranty for the TSDZ2B. Although this is a drop-in kit, you'll still need some technical know-how to put it together and run the wires efficiently.
At number 3.
EBIKELING Waterproof Ebike. The EBIKELING Conversion Kit for fat wheels ensures anyone who rides a fat tire bike isn't left out of the e-bike scene. This kit comes with a ready-to-install aluminum double-walled rim and rear hub motor that's suitable for 26-inch fat tires. There are 30 Nm of torque on tap from the direct drive 1200-watt hub motor, which is enough for a top speed exceeding 25 miles per hour. And this rear hub model is better suited to rough terrain than its front-wheel counterpart, as the rider will have more traction. Included in the sale are a brushless motor controller, LED screen, twist or thumb throttle, pedal assist sensor, freewheel, brake levers with safety switches, tube liner, and installation hardware. The wheel is compatible with V-type and disc brakes. However, there's no battery or tire included in the kit, meaning you'll have to pick them up separately. The motor will have a combined weight of 15.8 pounds, so if you need to place the battery over your rear wheel, it could unbalance the bike. You'll also need a bit more technical know-how to fit this kit when compared to a front hub model, and it'll be more difficult to disassemble and maintain.
Number 2 of my list.
BAFANG 1000W. If performance is your top priority, then the BAFANG BBSHD 1000W could be for you. This 1000-watt mid-crank motor pumps out 160 Nm of torque, which is more than any other model on this list and enough to tackle 40-degree hill angles. Depending on rider weight and conditions, it should propel you to over 30 miles per hour with ease, with some riders achieving more than 40 miles per hour. Since the motor is so powerful, it's often only suitable for off-road and private property use. This kit is on the high end of the price spectrum but, unfortunately, doesn't come with a torque sensor and uses a cadence sensor instead. You can operate the motor via PAS or the included thumb throttle, and though the kit doesn't include a battery, even without a power source, it'll still add around 16 pounds to your bicycle. Included in the sale are an LCD screen, brake lever or brake sensor, chainring wheel, crank, speed sensor, lock nuts, e-bike headlight or tail light, and cables. Since the motor is so powerful, you'll need to make sure your frame, cassettes, and chain are heavy-duty, or they could get damaged. The kit is designed to fit a JIS standard 68 to 73 mm bottom.
And number 1.
EBIKELING Waterproof. The EBIKELING Waterproof Ebike Conversion Kit is a great value, practical piece of kit. Since this is a front-wheel hub motor, it's the easiest type to fit and, if you get a flat, it's easier to fix than a rear hub motor. The kit comes with an aluminum double-walled rim with a hub motor already attached, so all you need to do is fit a tire. The 1200 watt motor weighs 12.9 pounds, making it one of the heavier models on this list. Although it's a high-watt motor with a peak power output of 1450 watts, it only produces 30 Nm of torque, which is a downside to using a front-wheel hub motor. It can't handle a lot of power. Included in the sale is a TFT 750C LCD screen, which mounts on the handlebars and shows speed, mileage, pedal assist mode, and battery life. You'll also get a throttle, pedal assist system, torque arm, and brake levers. Since a throttle is included in the sale, you can operate the motor without pedaling. All of the brand's motors come with a 1-year warranty. Unfortunately, no battery or tire is included in the kit, so you'll need to buy these separately.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.